Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the keyboard on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now from here, just download any keyboard on your smartphone. For an example, I will download Microsoft Keyboard. Now just download this app on your smartphone. It will take a few seconds to download the app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. From here, tap on Let's Set Up Swift Key and tap on Go to Settings. Now just enable Microsoft Swift Key. Now tap on OK and tap on Select Swift Key. From here, just select Microsoft Swift Key. Now from here, tap on Try Your Keyboard and tap on Allow. And once you have done that, now as you can see, we have successfully changed Google Keyboard to Microsoft Keyboard on our smartphone. And this is how you can change the keyboard on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.